Want a trend strategy that keeps you in winners and avoids sideways chop? Let's ride trends the smart way with the Donchian Trend Rider. This strategy uses the Donchian Channel to spot real trend breaks and define entry zones. Buy setup. Price breaks above the upper Donchian band. Trend is up. Wait for a pullback toward the middle line without closing below it. Enter long once price bounces and closes above the middle after the pullback. Trend confirming plus fresh momentum. Sell. Setup. Price breaks below the lower Donchian band. Trend is down. Wait for a pullback toward the middle line without closing above it. Enter short when price reverses and closes below the middle line after the pullback. This way, you're not guessing. You're trading confirmed trend continuation. Keep your stop loss just beyond the opposite Donchian band. If price closes back inside the breakout zone, the trend could be failing. Protect your capital. Catch trends with clarity and fewer false moves. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free Donchian Trend Rider indicators and templates and start riding trends today.